A man once asked the universe, "Why do humans hurt the people they love?" The universe answered, "Because humans are afraid. Afraid of losing, afraid of being forgotten, afraid of not being enough." The man asked, "Then why do they lie?" The universe whispered, "Because the truth makes them vulnerable." And why do they pretend to be happy? Because loneliness is easier to hide than pain. The man stayed silent. Then the universe said, "The darkest thing about